G'day, here's a parcel of Boulder Opal rubs. Most of them are matrix type material, so that's why there's not a lot of colour showing. These big faces. But we'll zoom in and we'll have a bit of a look. Okay, rules in millimetres. Just move the rule down as I move the stone across so you can see. A lot of these have been pre-formed. It's not heaps of colour, but there's a lot of stones amongst it. Somebody wanted cheap Boulder Opal stones. Like I say, this is mostly matrix. All of it's looks like matrix actually. Apart from that piece. Not a lot of colour amongst it, but basically it's the colour / patterns I think that makes this attractive. A lot of small stones there. Anyway, we've seen what there is there, I think. It's much of the same. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.